Ladies and gentlemen, we're back on day 14 of Earl Nightingale's two-step process to create a miracle in your life. Yesterday, day 13, we talked about the fact that around this time in the process, doubters will start to creep in. People come in and want to tell you what you can and you can't accomplish, that people like you don't get to accomplish the goal that you set for yourself. But you know that since you have been working hard and you're seeing measurable results, you know that you are that person. I know that you are that person because you are. Don't let self-doubt creep in now. We talked about doubters outside of yourself, but the fact is that eventually self-doubt might start to play a little bit of a role too. We all know that we are our own worst critic, but you set a goal that you believe is attainable for you. You believe in yourself, you believe in your goal, and you've been working so hard this entire time. Don't let self-doubt creep in. You're the person who's making that happen. You are making this happen. I believe in you, you believe in yourself. If you're not familiar with Earl Nightingale's two-step process, go back and watch the first video in this series. Either way, let's get to it. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.